Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to quickly install and configure the TP-Link TL-WPA8631P Powerline Wi-Fi extender. This device helps extend your internet signal through power outlets for better connectivity. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak in some rooms, this video will help you. Basically, the TP-Link TL-WPA8631P Powerline Wi-Fi extender uses your home's electrical wiring to extend your internet connection to areas where Wi-Fi is weak. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup. Firstly, unbox the extender box. Inside the box of the TP-Link TL-WPA8631P Powerline Wi-Fi extender, you will typically find a Powerline adapter, TL-WPA8010P, a Powerline Wi-Fi extender, TL-WPA8631P, and an Ethernet cable to connect the adapter to your router. The package also includes a quick installation guide to help you set up the device. Now plug the Powerline adapter, TL-WPA8010P, into a wall power outlet near your router. Connect the adapter to your router using the Ethernet cable. Plug the TL-WPA8631P extender into a power socket in the room where you want better Wi-Fi coverage. Wait about 30 to 40 seconds until the power LED becomes stable. Locate the pair button on the Powerline adapter connected to your router. Press the pair button for about 1 second, then release it. After pressing, the power LED will start blinking, indicating that the adapter is searching for another Powerline device to connect with. Within 2 minutes, go to the TL-WPA8631P extender and press its pair button for about 1 second as well. The extender will now attempt to connect with the main Powerline adapter through your home's electrical wiring. After a few seconds, the Powerline LED light on the extender will turn solid. This indicates that the pairing process is successful and the two devices are now connected through the electrical circuit in your home. Now check the Wi-Fi name, SSID, printed on the label of the TL-WPA8631P extender. Your Powerline Wi-Fi extender is now ready to provide stronger internet coverage. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.